Hello students, today you are going to study English grammar and the chapter name is the sentence. Okay, you are going to study about the sentence. So the first exercise is look at the picture and read the group of words written under each picture. Pick out the group of words which are not sentences. Okay, we will read, there are words. You can see here also group of word, group of word, group of word, but from these we are to find which group of word is sentence and which are not. I love to play cricket. Yes, it is a sentence. Short boy and tall girl. It is not the complete sentence. It is not making any kind of sense. Sang sweetly she. No, it is not making any kind of sense, of course. Okay. Open the books. Yes, it is a sentence. Walk he went for a. Is it making any kind of sense? It also has the words, but this is the sentence and this is not the sentence. Why? Because it is not arranged in the proper sequence. That is why it is not the sentence. So group of word numbering 2, 3, 5 are not sentences because they are not making complete sense. Okay, and group of word number 4 and number 1, they are sentences because they are expressing a complete thought. They are making a complete sense. So the definition can be like that: a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Sentence begins means sentence starts from the capital letter always, you can see here. Okay, and ends with a full stop. Okay everyone, sentence starts from the capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark. Okay, now everyone come on to the kind of sentences. There are how many kind of sentences? So I am telling you right now, there are 4 kind of sentences. Okay, first is assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Now come on to the assertive sentence. Everyone, what is assertive sentence? My brother likes mangoes. Amit is an intelligent boy. My sister enjoys singing. I do not have a pet. You can see when you are reading these sentences, you can see these sentences are making a statement. Okay, no any question is here. Okay, no any order advice. These sentences are making a simple statement. They are a simple statement, simple sentences. So the such sentences are called statement. Declarative or assertive sentence, you can say them to declarative sentences also. Like many sentence can be Rahul is going to Agra. Okay, Sia is eating food. So the sentences which makes a simple statement, those sentences are called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence starts from the capital letter, of course, capital letter, and ends always with a full stop. Okay everyone, now come on to the second one, which is interrogative sentence. You can see, how old is your bag? Why is the baby crying? Have you completed your work? Where is your bag? Okay, many more questions can be made. Where are you going? Where do you study? Okay, what are you doing? Where are you going? Okay, what is your name? Many kind of questions. So what is interrogative question? What is interrogative sentence? The sentences which want the answer, okay, which makes the questions, those sentences are called interrogative sentence. Okay, and interrogative sentence starts from the capital letter and ends with a question mark. Okay everyone, so you can identify interrogative sentence very properly, because at the last you will get the question mark in the interrogative sentence. Now everyone, come on to the third kind, which is imperative sentence. Okay, work hard, advise, get out, order, please help me, request. Move on the left side of the road, it will be advice. Okay, open the door, it will be order. Can you help me please, it will be request. So the sentences where you will find the advice, request and order, those sentences will be called imperative sentence. Okay, each of the above sentence expresses advice, order or request. The sentences which expresses advice, order or request, those sentences are called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence also ends with full stop. Up see everyone, how can you identify, how can you recognize it is assertive or imperative? Because assertive sentence also ends with a full stop and imperative sentence also ends with a full stop. But assertive sentences are simple statement, and imperative sentence expresses always the advice, order or request. So with the help of these three things you can recognize this is imperative sentence or assertive sentence. Now everyone come on to the last, exclamatory sentence. What are exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which means which expresses a sudden feeling. Okay, I am giving you an example. Wait.